How to get 100 free pulls on your Zenless Zone 0 website or application here. In short, Zenless Zone 0 will give 100 free pulls and 80 free bopens at the launch of the game. To get the 100 free pulls, you will need to complete all the event version 1.0 and finish the level up rewards. Not all events start at the launch date, so you will need to wait for all of the events to be begin or to how you can simply get the details or get the rewards. Now we will help or hope to the main thing that however the game is handling all the free pulls at the start of game. Rather you will have to finish missions and events and level up to get all the 100 free pulls. Here is a quick guide on how to get 100 free pulls on your Zenless Zone 0. At launch, Triple Z is supposed to give away free 100 pulls and 80 free coupons, which are Banglu or Bamboo banner pulls. The 100 free pulls can be broken into the following rewards, such as 20x encrypted master tape for limited agent banners, 70x master tape for permanent agent banner, and 1600x polychrome can be converted into 10x encrypted master tapes. Additionally, you will also get 80 free coupons which can only be used in the Bamboo exclusive banner. Now here is how you can get all the 100 free pulls in Triple Z. The first thing is a reward from the pre-registration 20x master tapes and 5x coupons. Cutting generosity, or you can read all the details on this website. Thank you so much for watching this video.